Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay with Moonpay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So in the top side of the screen, we have the buy, sell and swap. So you can go buy, sell and swap tokens. We have your Moonpay account here, the popular tokens and everything you can see in one place. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with Moonpay. So paying with Moonpay is straightforward, and here's a step-by-step guide to help you. First of all, as I told you, create an account, then select a cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase for or use for payment. Moonpay supports various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. You can go buy them by clicking here, putting the amount, and of course, then after that, click continue and buying the cryptocurrency. Then enter your payment details. You can pay using a credit or debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or the bank transfer, depending on your location. Verify your identity, of course. Complete the transaction, so review your transaction details and confirm the payment. Moonpay will process you and send your cryptocurrency to your wallet address, and then receive your cryptocurrencies, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.